Gosh, dang, this thing is something else, man. This thing's stupid. Like this, this thing is money. Standing behind me is one of the craziest builds we've ever done here at Krietz. Today, I'm gonna get into it with you and give you every detail about it. This is Big Blue. A little bit of backstory between this truck. An ex-coach of an NFL athlete reached out to us and said, hey, I've got this great guy, he plays in the NFL. He's looking to paint match a truck to one of his vehicles. And from there, it just got more exciting. This truck came to us in a gray from Chevy. So this is a 2025 Chevy Silverado Duramax with a 7-inch lift kit on 38 1550 26s with 26 by 16 inch wheels. Fully paint matched, fully color matched in PPF to keep that paint in high quality. This is called several things, but it's mainly called Coastal Blue. So this color right here is absurd. It absolutely reflects in the sunlight in whichever way you go. And to do this, we had to take apart the entire vehicle. When I mean entire, the bed came off, the doors came off, the doors are broken down, the bed tailgate was broken down, the roof, it was literally everything. Walking up here, seeing these guys work their freaking tails off on this thing was just a testimony to our techs. And I can't thank them enough for taking this challenge on. So boys, at the body shop, you guys are freaking tank. And I can't say it enough. Great work. This is Coastal Blue. It is paint matched throughout the entire thing. So let's start off with the front. Every aspect of this was gray with a completely chrome grille. We went ahead and paint matched half the grille black with the main line being that Coastal Blue. And then I want to start calling it Carolina. It almost looks like Carolina Blue, but it's Coastal Blue. And then that main line, this extends into the headlights, which where we went ahead and paint matched the inner headlights of this vehicle. The paint matching process of this was crazy. They really did everything. So I'll go ahead and extend on to the side here where you can see everything on this, even to the Allison transmission is paint matched up here as Allison in that same blue. And then you come around to the mirrors. The insides of these mirror blinker lights are gonna be paint matched blue on the inside with the outside being black. You've got your 2500 HD paint matched with the black around it, giving it a sweet accent. Side steps are in gloss black. Now, I do want to mention, obviously I've done reviews on paint and how it's properly done. This entire thing had to be a process of sanding it for about 3 weeks. It took an insanely long time taking this apart, individually sanding each piece. And when it comes to these guys, so a lot of times we don't want to paint these. Now he did, he chose to. If you step on them a ton, the paint will eventually come off. And so I mentioned that to him. He's all right with that. We did paint the underside of this step. And then if we come around to the back here, you're gonna have these beautiful taillights, which are smoked with the accents of the taillight being that Coastal Blue, the outside of that taillight being Coastal Blue. And then you've got your entire step heads on the rear are gonna be in gloss black as well. With that being said, this is a completely different thing. We're not just paint matching the mirrors. We're not just disassembling and paint matching the hood. No, this entire thing had to get done. And so with that, I wanna pop the hood for you guys and show you how intense this paint job went. So obviously this isn't like a wrap. Wraps, a lot of this stuff will end just like, you know, under here. It'll come off and just end. No, with this entire thing, if you look inside the hood trim and inside any metal aspect, that has all been painted. To the insides of the hood, to the bolts where the freaking hood is attached. So every bolt is paint matched to make it the most in detail that we can. Obviously with this being this large, I ain't just so you can tell, 6'1". What? I'm sorry for the entire backstory and going into detail. I'm in love with this truck. Let's get into the meat and the fun stuff. These are 38 by 1550 26 Fury Country Hunter MT2s, wrapping around a 26 by 16 American Force Omen. That 16-inch width there gives it a negative 101 offset, sitting roughly 10 inches outside the fenders. You could sit on this and have a beer if you wanted to. Obviously that comes with the responsibility of figuring out how to make this fit, right? We got whirly bumper spacers in here. They're 2-inch bumper spacers, pushing this bumper up just a little bit to be able to fit these wheels and tires. You can't even tell really when it comes down, but that front bumper is just sitting a little bit forward. And then we've got Shortened Kelderman caps. These are patented by Kelderman to make sure the backside is all right when turning. And obviously we did do a little bit of trimming, but nothing to the extent of where you would think. I can't even tell where it's trimmed. Now, getting into the suspension. This guy's got a 7 to 9 inch Magor's lift kit, fully powder coated. You can tell on the inside we powder coated that to match the paint on the outside. The plates on it are all gonna be in a gloss black. And then you've got your reservoir shocks on top. This kit is insanely comfortable to ride around in. We've driven it around and quality controlled it like all get out, and it is phenomenal. Every aspect of this kit, and even some of the aspects of the original truck, are gonna be color matched. And so, you look at the sway bars, you look at the upper control arms, your cross member, these are all gonna be paint matched. If you come down here, that entire front cross member is gonna be color matched as well, obviously from Magor's. Now, getting into some of the fun stuff we did here, he did request that he had rock lights and wheel lights put into this. These are all by Customs Unlimited. And so with that, they can go in different colors, different times, and they're all controlled by their own source. And so we've got 4-piece set of rock lights in here. We've got a 5-row LED green, red, blue wheel light system so that, I got a video of it. This thing goes crazy. This thing can sync to music. What? I don't know where we got this advanced. Are we supposed to be this advanced in human? I don't know. Anyways, there's like very few trucks that I've done where I'm like kind of speechless on stuff. And this is one of them. One of the aspects that I do want to talk about is the amp running boards. So this truck originally, even though it's a high country, did not come with amp running boards. We went ahead and powder coated the underside of this to be gloss black so that it matches with the rest of the truck, which I believe is an absolutely beautiful touch. Now, coming around, you can see on the back side that the entire kit was done. So you're talking your U-bolts, your spacer in the back, these were all done to paint match that vehicle, and then you have your Magor's reservoir shocks in the rear as well. The inside of this wheel, so your wheel hub, we went ahead and powder coated the wheel hub. That does not get done very often besides on tow trucks, and I think it is a phenomenal touch. And then the lug nuts, those are gonna be color matched as well to the vehicle. That is a sweet touch. All these little things are very important. They help make the truck come together as one, which is really cool. And to match those spiked bullet antennas, we come around here. This guy is gonna be that same color scheme of the coastal blue and then your black on top. I think that's a beautiful touch. Now, with an aftermarket paint job like this, obviously this thing has a lot of processes it has to go through. Since it is aftermarket paint, we wanna make sure that this paint, the longevity of it, we went ahead and PPF'd the absolute living dog out of this vehicle. This thing has PPF everywhere. We'll get into it a little bit. Bumpers, A-pillars, fenders, hood, mirrors, the bottom halves of the doors, all the way to the rear are gonna be PPF'd, and then on the rear side as well behind the tires, making sure that if this thing does hit any dirt, the paint's gonna be completely fine. That's what you gotta do when you're doing a full repaint of the vehicle to make sure, especially with the tires and wheels being so wide, you wanna make sure that nothing gets flung up and actually ruins the paint, right? This thing is absolutely beautiful. We're shipping it out here tomorrow, obviously getting it detailed, full detail of the entire thing before it does, and sending it out somewhere. Keep your eyes out for it. This thing is an absolute beauty. You have anything in mind that you think you could top this somehow, or if you just have a different idea that is something beautiful or something very basic but you want new wheels and tires, hit us up. We'd be more than happy to get it done for you and do it with the exact amount of quality that we've tried to provide on this one for our client. So if you guys want anything like that, give us a call here at 301-694-4642 or go to KreitzCustoms.com, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Want a free set of wheels and tires? Subscribe to Krietz Customs. We're giving away a free set at the end of the year if we hit 50,000 subscribers. So if you want them, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.